Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in France right now. Yesterday I traveled by car from the Netherlands to France. We slept here one night before continue our trip to Italy. Our family in France introduced us to this hotel in the center of Strasbourg. We pay only half price. It's really beautiful. I don't mind where to sleep, but of course the beautiful ones is better. I like very much the architecture of this ancient building and how they grow many lovely flowers by the window. They have also the elevator in the building. I'm already tired of sleepless, so I take it. The second day. And we are now still in France. We just reached the hotel 1 hour ago. And hopefully we will arrive in Italy before it getting very dark. I hope so. No, we didn't sleep very well yesterday. Because I don't know why I don't sleep well at the hotel at all. So yeah, it's quite hard to wake up. Luckily the weather is very beautiful. I cannot sleep in the auto, in the car. I don't know why. It's very difficult to sleep in the auto, in the car. I want to sleep badly. In Switzerland they are very strict with the limited. So when you drive the car here, don't play with the limited here. So yes, it depends on where you live, the law is different, and the behavior of people in front of the pandemic is also totally different. They are not the same, so it's very interesting to see. Welcome to Switzerland. Beautiful panorama, isn't it?
Meer.
And Meer.
Ja.
Nee, dit is cold.
Wat? Is it cold?
We are now in an auto green. We were running on the highway and suddenly our car seemed go out of control. It was quite dangerous, so we have to stop here. It's a good opportunity for my child to play and for us to move our feet. It's broken and still located in Switzerland. My husband just go for the service of the car from the Netherlands to have maybe they have some idea what we can do and what they can do to help us. Otherwise, we are not going to the destination. And we are still waiting for the service come to help us. We have been using this car for almost 10 years, but never got any problem. But this is the first time we got a problem with the car. We don't know what happened. We are waiting for the service come to help us to say that please. After many hours of waiting, finally the car rescue service is coming. They will bring our car to the garage to repair. Broken and we have other train to visit Switzerland. I already visited Switzerland one time ago. But now we have the chance to visit Switzerland again. In any bad situation, there's always something good. For example, like we got this opportunity to discover this beautiful village.